Hi everyone, welcome to the last video of this paper, grade 11, March 2022. So we've already done almost all the questions, question 1, question 2. Check out the previous videos, we've done question 3, and we're doing the last part of question 3, which is the last video of this paper. So let's go. In the diagram, O is the center of the circle, so this is O, and point ABC, D lie on the circumference of the circle, and BOD is a diameter, right? So therefore this is 90 degrees there, right? Okay, but I mean we see it anyways. And A1 is 50 degrees, 51 degrees, so this is A1, and B1 is 29 degrees. A line is drawn from O to F, lines drawn from O to F, such that the length of BC is 24 meters, and the radius of the circle is 13 meters. Okay, great things. A lot of things are going on here. All right, so we are told, so these are the radius, so that all the sides are equal. Okay, and yeah, there's a couple of things that I see here, but I don't want to jump the gun. Let's read the questions. 3.1, 3.3.1, determine the size of COB. So they want us to find the angle of COB, the angle COB. Okay, see, so if you only just look at this, right? Check out the previous video, we proved this. So this and this, if you just look at this, right, from a previous video, you prove exactly this theorem. This theorem says the angle at the center is twice the angle of the circumference, and the angle of the center is COB. So this angle here is twice this angle here. So if this is 51, therefore this angle here is 51 divided by 2, because this angle here is twice this angle here. If that makes sense? So the angle of the center is twice this angle here. So not divided by 2, by the way. So the angle of the center is twice this angle here, meaning this angle here is 2 times 51. Okay, because this angle here is twice the angle of the circumference. The angle of the center is twice the angle of the circumference. So so angle COB is equal to 2 times 51, or you can say 2 times angle A1, which is 2 times 51 degrees, which is 102 degrees. Okay, what else? So that's basically your answer. And what is the reason? The reason is the angle of the center is twice the angle of the circumference. Angle the center is twice the angle of the circumference. Okay, and then angle A2. So you're looking at this angle here. What is angle A2? Okay, so if you look at this diameter here, right? So we have a theorem. So we have a theorem that says if you have a diameter and then you have an angle over there, this angle here is equal to 90 degrees, right? So if you have a circle and then you have a diameter and then this angle here, it's always going to be 90 degrees. This angle here is always going to be 90 degrees. Okay, provided you touch the circumference, this is always going to be 90 degrees. So if a diameter and you have this angle here, this angle is always going to be 90 degrees. Okay, so meaning angle A1 plus angle A2. Angle A1, let me just write this. angle A1 plus angle A2 is equal to 90 degrees. Why? It's an angle subtended by diameter. Okay, angle subtended by a diameter. Angle subtended by a diameter is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, and then of course we're looking for A2, so A2 is equal to 90 degrees minus A1, and we already know what is A1. A1 is 51, that's given. So 90 degrees minus 51, that is 39 degrees. So that's angle A2. Okay, it's coming, all right. So it's 39 degrees. Now determine the size of D. Size of D, where's the D? Oh, that's D. So this D here. So already know that this is A2 is 39. Okay, so you know this angle, and the sum of the angles in the triangle, 180 degrees. So we're saying angle A, right, plus angle D plus angle B1, they give you 180 degrees. The reason sum of angles in a triangle supplementary. Okay, sum of the angles in a triangle supplementary, and angle A is 51 plus 39, which is 90, right? 51 plus 39, which is 90. That's angle A. We know that angle A is 90 degrees. Of course, we're looking for angle D. Angle B1 is 29 degrees. It's got to 180, and then easy solve now, right? So 90 plus 29, that is 119, and then 180 minus 119, that is 61. So this is angle D is equal to 90, 119 is equal to 180. Therefore angle D is 180 minus 119, and 180 minus 119 is 61 degrees. So that's D. Okay, 61 degrees. Right, and almost done. 3.3.4, determine the length of OF. Determine the length of OF. So they want you to know what is the length of OF. All right, so there's a theorem that says if you have a triangle like this and you have a center there, okay, and you have if you have a circle and you have a center and you have a triangle, my mind was just ahead of a triangle like this, and then you have another line here which is perpendicular to this triangle. The theorem says therefore this and this are equal, right? That's the theorem. Therefore this line and this line are equal. So what does this say? It tells that line CF is equal to line FB. Line CF is equal to line FB because we have OF which is perpendicular to BC. That's the reason. So line CF is equal to line BF. What is the reason? Because OF is perpendicular to BC. OF is perpendicular to BC. That's the reason. And BC, we are told that BC, of course, BC BC is equal to CF plus BF, right? BC, this line BC is equal to CF plus BF. That's BC. And these CF and BF are the same. I mean, we know, because we know we've been given that BC is equal to 24. So this is 24 is equal to CF plus BF, it's the same thing, right? So it's equal to 2PF, because CF is equal to PF, so it's equal to 2PF. Okay, so we're solving for PF here, and then you can divide by 2 on both sides, so it'll give you PF is equal to 12. So PF is 12 meters. So discover that PF is 12 meters, and then we know that the radius is 13 meters. Boom, Pythagoras. Now we're using Pythagoras from here to solve for OF, right? So I mean, you have a triangle. We have a triangle. I want to be neat. I'm trying to figure out a way to be neat here. So you have a triangle. Ooh, that was good. This is 13, 12. Okay, this is OF. This is OF, and it's B. Okay, Pythagoras, easy. So Pythagoras says 13 squared minus 13 squared is equal to 12 squared plus OF squared. And then so 13 squared OF squared is 13 squared minus 12 squared. Okay, and then OF, so you can actually punch this in calculator if you don't know the answer, and you get that as 25 squared. And then OF is square root of 25, so OF is actually 5 meters. So boom, so OF is 5 meters. So OF is 5 meters. So this is how you will actually answer this question, and you get all of your 8 marks. First, if you follow this video and do exactly what you've done, setting up yourself to actually do very well for every test and exam that you're going to take from now on. All the best for your exams, all the best for your test, all your best with your assignment and homework. If you need help with anything containing mathematics, and you want to join my group, if you're doing grade 10, 11, and 12, you want to join my private group and get to ask me questions, have access to me, please follow the links on the descriptions, and you will have access to me to get private tutorials, and also get to attend my classes weekly. Yep, see you to another series. Boom.